Alright guys, let's see what a $120 truck wash brings. It's not just, you know, it's truck and trailer. And they're doing my aluminum on the truck, so a little bit extra. And I said live I'm not going to tip them, but yeah, I'll throw them something. I mean, it's not like they're getting paid for that unless this is their business. I'm telling you, mobile truck wash might be a thing, especially doing fleets. Can you imagine? Oh, we're gonna find out real quick. Oh well, this doesn't leak. Yeah, that's what's. No, I went live, but I kept cutting out, and somebody's like, "What? You actually paid $120 for that?" Yeah, and then somebody else popped in. It's like, that's not bad for truck and trailer and the wheels. So, yeah, it said aluminum, so it'd be great if they polished my tanks, but mine aren't polished. I don't expect the best. I mean, it's not a brand new truck, and I've hand washed it, but I've hand washed it, but I've never done the wheels. You know what I mean? I've never spent any time on the wheels, so it's definitely gonna look better there. I got a problem with my CB antenna, if anybody knows how to do that. It's weird because it worked and then now it doesn't. Like, or my CB worked and then now it says warning damage. Here, I'll show you. Antenna warning. So I popped, and behind it is the antenna cord, which that's hooked up to, but you can see all the zip ties that held the antenna cord and the you know, for the air brake, it held that down, like from Freightliner, you know, little clamps in here, they're cut. And I remember him pulling off the mount to the mirror, the CB antenna mount, which you don't want to put an antenna there anyways because you got the mirror right there, from what I've heard. But they had pulled that off, so that's what's up. Anyway, we have a stock antenna. I'd open the door, but I can't show you. It's on the sides. I actually got two, and the split is right behind the, you know, you take out this whole thing here, you know, with these screws, and the splitter's behind it. So there's that. My trailer's brand new. It's gonna come out, you know what I mean? Like, all it has is road dust on it. It's gonna come out looking spiffy clean. But it got some salt on it, you know, some of that molasses crap, whatever, the dust they put down when I was up north last week, so I wanted to get that off. Then I went down south. I like to play down south a lot, you know. It's a lot of fun. So this is three minutes of me just talking. Yeah, I'll let you know what this truck wash looks like, or gets done. But yeah. Comment below. Let me know what you think about $120 truck, trailer, and wheels. Also about the antenna and the CB. I've already looked up, you know, how to calibrate and stuff, and it doesn't matter. I hope I didn't already fry it or something. We'll see. See you in a little bit. We done. We might have some water spots on the windows, but we done. I got this little squeegee in here. I'll get the mirrors. Oh man, yeah, she looks gorgeous. Find the squeegee. All right, well, the squeegee sucks, so check it out. What she looks like washed. Look at them wheels. Oh, mama. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. And of course the trailer looks new because it is. They even did a good job back here, which was covered with soot. Look, you can see where they didn't do great, but guess what? Hand washing this thing has not been washed in so long because I hand washed it and I couldn't even get that stuff off. So, oh, look at that, nice and shiny. Oh yeah, whatever stuff they put on there. I gotta get a good side view here. Looky there. And that's it, guys. This little truck stop out here. Go try it out. not a bad deal. I mean, maybe a bad deal, kind of expensive, but I mean, a great wash. I tipped them both 10 bucks too, because they did a damn good job. Took them a while too, I like that. But make sure you subscribe to This Trucking Life if you haven't already. Check out, I got some merch, some beanies. I'm gonna get a couple in. They're ready to go. Look at the description below.